Hello students, in my last two videos we have learned some important physical properties of metals. We know generally metals are hard, generally metals are solid, metals are malleable, metals are good conductors of electricity. Today I am going to discuss the remaining three important physical property of metal. Okay, yes, let us perform a simple activity. Okay, I have an iron plate, a metal coin and a plastic lid. My question is, have you ever noticed that? Have you ever noticed the difference in sound on dropping or hitting, striking an iron plate, a metal coin and this plastic? Okay, please observe the activity. Yes, please observe. First I am going to drop this iron plate on the floor. Next, the metal coin. Yes, next to this plastic lid. Yes, the things made of metals produce a ringing sound when struck hard. Okay? Yes, the things made of metal produce a ringing sound when struck hard. Yes, since metals produce ringing sounds, they are said to be sonorous. Okay, this is the next important physical property of metal. Okay, the sonority of metal. Okay, the metals produce ringing sound. Hence, the metals are said to be sonorous. But the plastic is a non-metal. Hence, plastic, yes, are not sonorous. The non-metals like plastic, wooden piece, etc. are not sonorous. These materials cannot produce this ringing sound. Okay. Okay, there is another property of metal which is known as ductility. Ductility, yes. Have you ever seen electrical wires in your house? These electrical wires. Okay, what would you have seen? You would have seen this kind of copper wires in your house. Am I right? Okay. My question is, how can we make this a copper wire? First you have to melt the copper metal and then drawing into thin wires. Thin wires. Okay? Okay. This property is called ductility. The property of a metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. Please listen, very important physical property. The property of a metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. The last physical property is thermal conductivity of metal. Almost all of the metals are good conductors of heat. When a piece of metal is heated at one end, we observe that the heat travels towards the other end of the metal piece. Okay, and the whole piece becomes hot. It is due to the reason that the metals are used to make cooking utensils. Yes, the metals are good conductors of heat. Already we learned the metals are good conductors of electricity. Then metals are also good conductors of heat. Yes, metals are good conductors of heat. Okay, students, in my next video, I will discuss the chemical properties of metals. Goodbye. Study well.